Okay guys, I'm going to show you something here that was booked in quite a while ago, and now I'm finally playing catch up, and I'm catching up with everything around here, thank God. This is a little Blazer, and the guy just brought it in, and all we're doing is welding rockers on it, lower door patches, lower fender patches, and anyway, I'll show you. '72. We've done so many of these trucks, it's unreal. But you can see the door is rotting along there. You can see the rockers are gone. And she's going up in here too. So we're just doing the whole lower half. Factory AC, factory tack. All the goodies. All the goodies. Beautiful truck. These are so fun. Love to have one. But can't have it all. So I'll get around here. A little cramped. I'm out in the carport bay today. We're just waiting on a couple parts for that Acadian, the 70 Acadian in the shop, and then she's out the door tonight. And then I can move this in there. So what I've done is I've disconnected all the power windows there, got the door panel off, all that kind of stuff, got the door loose. Now I'm going to start cutting and trimming and getting this rocker out here. I'm going to start there right now. This panel to me looks good. I think he had brought it. I'm going to check it out, but I don't think there's any reason to replace that. So I'm not going to replace something if I don't have to. May as well save him money. But we're still going to paint this, so I will strip it down and check it out to make sure it is all good. Okay, well, that is what I am working on today. Okay, so I started cutting the rocker panel off here, which I wasn't expecting. I saw this and I just thought it was some texture spray. Right? We all thought that. Everyone would think that. Look at how thick this shit is. Look at this. There's the original floor under there. Let's see if I can lift this up to show you guys. Look at how thick that is. I need to get this all off of here because I need to weld in here. And of course this rocker only comes in so far, and the floor was rotting along here too, so it needs a piece put in. But I'm going to be here for like an hour or more just trying to get this shit cleaned up. Like, I have to clean this crap off of here. Holy God, I don't know what this stuff is somebody put in here. Like, look at that. Look at how thick it is. Fuck, whatever that is, it's incredible. And obviously we didn't know the back was gone, so we're going to be fixing that. So this is what I mean when you give somebody a quote. And I always say, I don't know exactly what it's going to be. I'll give you a quote for what I see. Because once you start cutting things open, this is where the can of worm begins. It just starts all right here. So away we go. Let's see what we can do with this rubber shit. Okay, I finished cutting all the outer rocker away and grinding out and cutting out. I should say cutting out. Look at how thick this is over top of the floor. It's over a 1/4 inch thick. It's nearly a 1/2 inch thick. That's what saved these floors. But I have to get all this out of here because I have to weld up in here. So it just had to go. Look at it here. See, I just cut it with a knife because I have to have something to weld to. So unfortunately, if you're out there watching your truck here in this video, I had no choice, buddy. The good news is the carpeting comes down, underlay, all that, and I will spray something back over here, but it won't be thick like this. So now next we're going to start cutting this out of here. We have to replace this back inner piece. So we'll start cleaning up all the edges and cutting this away and seeing how far we can get. A lot of crap came out. Just unbelievable. Like, here's a piece here. There you go. Wow, eh? I'll tell you one thing, it must have been extremely quiet to ride in this truck with that kind of sound deadening, that's for sure. Anyway, let's get on to it. Okay, I've got the inner wall here cut away. Still got a little bit more cleaning to do. And you can see on the Blazers how they're different. They got like a big structure built inside. So anyway, got that all cut away, got a little more cleaning to do. I'm going to tidy up now because there's a lot of metal and shit on the ground here and it's just cutting into me everywhere. So I'm tidy this up and then we'll do a little more cleanup. Got to clean up around the edges and stuff like that. And then we'll start going inside and cutting some pieces and making a piece of metal for here. But we may as well check out what else is going on in the shop today, right? So let's get the hell out of here and see what else is happening. Okay, what else is going on here in the shop today besides what I'm doing on the old Blazer? His Mike is getting all the floor finished off. As you can see, he's had to He's had to make a couple pieces down in there. You can see right here how it doesn't quite fit right. So he's, you know, just the same as in here. If you can see, he had to make all across there. There's a, let me zoom in here. See the filler piece in there? Yeah. So he's getting that all done. Excellent. Tedious. Takes time. Everything takes time. It's never just quick and easy. Good news about this car is that if it's not 100% perfect, it's going to be a race car, and the guy, well, it's a street race car, and the guy's like, it's okay if it's not 100% like factory. Again, it's a 72 Buick. And then we're working away over here. You haven't seen it for a long time. Not that we gave up. We just, you know, this gentleman's never been in a panic, so I use it as a filler only. But we're working on the 64 Pontiac. We're getting her all stripped down, just the rear half. Remember, again, Mike had put all the quarters on it. So we're getting it stripped down. We're not doing the body work on this car. Car came in for strictly all the metal work and get the sheet metal bolted on. But the guy wanted to take it out of here in epoxy primer. So we're epoxy primering this back half because it is basically done for welding. So we want to get some good epoxy primer on this old girl. Now remember, this was a 64 Pontiac, factory Pontiac with a 409. That's right, the Canadian Pontiacs had Chevy engines. I had a 409 dual 4s with a 4-speed posi-track rear end. Very rare, very unique car. So that is what is going on there. So that's what's happening. And then I'm cleaning up some more parts and pieces here. Right here. Getting a little bit of stuff. I'm kind of jumping all over the map here a little bit today. In between things. And the Nova, Acadian, I should say, it's an Acadian, the 70. The fan. We got everything put together and went to put the fan in, and they were supposed to send us the ultra slim one, and it's not the ultra slim. It's a little thicker, so it's a half-inch too big. So we just got to wait. The other one will be here in the morning, and then away we go. We'll fire this bad boy up, and it'll be going home down the road. So that's it. Quick little update here in the shop on this Tuesday. It is Tuesday. The day is. The day's good. I'm going to be working away for a little longer, and then that's it. Then I got 2 more days to go, and I'm out of here. Hell yeah, I can't wait. Hey, it's always a good time and old time.